And welcome back to my second vlog. I'm already so much more relaxed doing this the second time than the first time. I remember I was kind of like nervous making my first one, and I don't know why, but after, probably because I just didn't know anything about like doing one, and then after posting it and editing it and all that stuff, I was like, this is so fun. And so I like texted my sister right away because she wants to make a travel one. I was like, you need to make one of these, they're so fun. So yeah, then I'm already starting a second one. But yeah, in case you didn't watch my first one, the reason why I'm sitting on the floor is because I just moved and I have no furniture. So I'm sitting on the pillows with a mattress on the floor. Bougie. Anyways, I had plans this morning I was gonna wake up at like 4 and drive to the beach, which is like 10 minutes away, and then I was gonna go for a run and like watch the sunrise, because like you have to. I feel like even if you don't live on the coast, like that's just something you have to do once in your life, is like watch the sunrise on like the ocean. But then it's been raining all day in Charleston, and I'm not complaining because I know it's like 50 degrees in Minnesota, but it's the first day I've been here that's raining, so I'm like, what do I do? Because I've been like out exploring every day and just doing a bunch of stuff, so I'm like, what do people do on rainy days here? Which I'm sure I'll figure out. But yeah, so I was gonna go to the beach and now I'm not. So I worked out this morning and then I did some laundry, and I've just been like productive a little bit. I have made 3 cups of coffee. So I have been getting my coffee. I haven't turned on my coffee machine yet at all that I brought here, because after I work out every day, I just go to the lounge and get coffee. They have such good like lattes and stuff in their machine. So I haven't even needed to turn on my coffee machine yet. But then the other day I was kind of like hurting my stomach, and I was like, oh, like I guess I don't really know what milk or like product they're using in it. So I finally plugged it in. And it was my first time actually using this machine because my mom gave it to me, and she told me how to use it once, like an espresso machine. It starts with like a C, it's like a big metal one. And so I made my first cup of coffee in it today, and it was so good, so I've made 3. So I've been tired today. Gloomy days make me so tired. On another note, I just bought my couch yesterday, which I'm super happy about. And it's just a cheap couch, but I just need something because that camping chair is starting to get really uncomfortable. So that should be here next week, so I'm excited to finally get that. And that's the only furniture I've still ordered. I do need to order something to put my mattress, like a frame, like a bed frame, but I've just been putting that off because I just don't want to keep spending money. However, I was happy because I got my check from my last job, and I just got it today, so that pretty much pays for my whole couch. It paid like a little more than my whole couch, and I forgot I was supposed to get that, so that was like a fun, it's like girl math. It was a little like surprise. But then I can't sign it because I thought I was smart enough for this, but I didn't bring a pen here, like not a single writing utensil. So I like, it's like, seriously, because I can't sign the back to like endorse it or anything. So I have to go literally buy a pen, and the millions of pens I have at home, I'm so mad about it. So yeah, I have to go and get some groceries. When I eat, I have a salad with like every meal that I eat. So like breakfast, lunch, and dinner, like I'll always make a little like side salad, and I just crave a good salad. And I run out of greens, like lettuce and stuff, so fast because of it. So I already need to pick up more. I've already gotten like lettuce and cabbage and stuff twice. So yeah, I need to go pick up more of that. So I'll get my pens when I do that. But also for dinner, I was going to make some trout, which I made in my first video, if you saw it, and it was like sweet potato with trout and like greens and like a bunch of stuff. But me and my dad went fishing the other day when he was here, and we caught 2 fish that we were able to keep. We caught a bunch of fish, but we kept 2 that were in like the size situation, or like the size range. And so I made it the other day and I like threw it in a salad. So good. And I know fresh, like I love all things fish, but I didn't know I was gonna like this trout as much as I did. So I'm already craving it again. So I'm making the other fillet today, and I'll make it with like squash or something like that. I'm also such a squash girl. I brought a pail when we moved here, and we were packing our cars, and we didn't pack that much stuff. Like it fit in my car and my dad's truck, like everything that I brought here. And we didn't pack that much, but something I did pack was a literal pail of squash, because I'm such a squash girl 24/7. Spaghetti squash is my favorite thing ever. But zucchini, summer squash, buttercup squash, butternut squash, acorn, I had it all in this pail, this big white pail. So I brought it here, and when my dad saw me loading it, he's like, "You're bringing squash 20 hours across the country." I'm like, "Yes, I am." So, along with like sweet potatoes and stuff like that. So I still have squash that I need to make, but they're almost gone. Like I will have squash every day. Squash, salad, chicken or fish, like that's my jam. Anyways, so I'm gonna make some of that tonight, but otherwise, yeah, that is gonna be my day. But I'm gonna keep just trying to like post these videos. I just think they're so fun, and I just, like I said, I love how organic YouTube is. And I don't really feel like my first video, I think I got 20 views, and like no subscribers, and I thought I was only gonna literally get the view of my sister. But I like that. Like I'm actually so happy that 20 people like cared enough to watch this, but even if it was by accident, like I just think that's so cool how that stuff happens. And people have been texting and asking me to like post, like for those who asked if I was gonna make a YouTube channel or anything, they were like, "Oh, like post it on your Instagram and like I'll like go view it and like I'll follow you." And I know I could do that, but I just don't, like I'm kind of like a what's meant to be will be, love all things organically like happening. And I don't know, there's just something that I just don't need people who know me scrolling through my life right now and just judging and making comments. Like even though I'll probably never see them again, I just know how like some of those people are and how they operate, and I just don't really need that. So yeah, I just figured like this is just gonna be my safe space of people who want to know or see or have updates on my life will, and I don't know, all good vibes. But yeah, hopefully I'm gonna be a little productive today, and do some things. But I just wanted to say hi and good morning again, and yeah. grocery shopping and got a few things. I'm going to start making dinner, but I went to that sweat house sauna thing that I was talking about, and it was so amazing. So your first purchase, you get like, it's for like $20. Otherwise you can just start getting like memberships. And I want a membership so bad, but so first I get there and it's all bougie, like they give you like this like water and these like towels that are scented, like eucalyptus and stuff like that. And then you go into this room and it's, you get 60 minutes in there, and it's a sauna. You can adjust the temperature, and there's all these like infrared lights, and you can choose what light you want, and there's like a TV. You can watch Hulu, Netflix, Disney Plus, whatever you want, YouTube. And you can just sit there and you can like hook your playlist up to music. Like, it's super cool. So you get 60 minutes in there, and then you take a vitamin C shower. So they literally hook up a serum to your shower, and it's like so cool. I've never taken a vitamin C shower, probably because I've never been in a place to actually afford it. And yeah, so then they give you like all these like shampoo, body wash, whatever you need. And then I moved to the recovery room, and I spent 25 minutes in there, and there was like a I'm gonna say it wrong, hydro massage table that you sit on, and it puts like water jets like onto whatever areas are like feeling at pain. And then there was this biophoton light that was like hovering over my face, that you can spend like 15 minutes under and it like targets acne or wrinkles or all that stuff. But it was so good. So relaxing. I want a membership, but I don't know if I can afford it, so I'm gonna have to look later. But yeah, I'm glad I did that, especially on like this gloomy day. It put me out of like, not a mood, but I just feel better now. So I'm gonna make some dinner. I'm chopping up sweet potato right now, and then I'm gonna make some fish. I'm pretty much having the same thing I did the other night, but it was so good, so I don't really care. But yeah, I'm gonna have a late dinner today, but usually I'm such like an early dinner girl, and I'm trying to get better at that because like usually I have breakfast later, and then I have lunch later, and then I have supper early. And then at night I'm like so snacky because I ate supper so early. Do you guys say supper or dinner? I feel like I use it interchangeably. But yeah, so I'm trying to get better at that. But yeah, I'm just gonna make some food. because I'm pretty tired. Hopefully tomorrow I can like go to the beach or something. I haven't even checked what the weather's supposed to be like, but it's Friday, so maybe I'll do something actually fun and exciting. But yeah, I'm gonna try posting more of these because they were just fun to like vlog my day. But yeah, that was my day. So everyone, have a good night and be safe, and